Hello, what's up my Facebook followers, friends, everyone, eh? It's been a few days. I'm showing you waterfalls and all, eh? Just look at this waterfall. Looks like milk. And look at how this, water has cut through the rocks, cut through this metamorphic rock. You know, like Bruce Lee said, right? You can either crash or flow, you know? Go with the flow of water. There's one beautiful, beautiful, greenery site. And the road is also damn beautiful. And look over there, some mist, foggy, it's ascending. And we have three straight rocks here, and just look at the, look at this huge, massive rocks. And people have carved out this and, paved a nice road. So just look at this. Look at the foggy. Look at the road that's paved to perfection. And look at those waterfall. So I'm gonna show you guys. All I'm doing, I want you all to see with my eyes. Green Sikkim. And waterfalls are everywhere, This right here, this too is beautiful, beautiful waterfall. Alright? I wonder what's at the top of that waterfall, I wonder what it's like to go over there and, experience where the water is coming from. So, just look at these wet rocks. And look at this waterfall which flows like milk. And from here we can see Gangtok, but look at all the mist and foggy, rising, descending down, and just beautiful. So we are in Sikkim, right? East Sikkim, Gangtok, Rangka. And what's happening over there? Lots of smoke. And just look at the buildings and man-made thing is, but it's about to get covered up by mist and fog. So that's it. This is what I wanted to show you all. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed this video. And just look at the forest above. I'm sure there are lots of leopards and bears over there. Lots of dense forest. I love this kind of trees and greenery. Only here in Green Sikkim, happy and clean. Okay guys, bye.